This piece of equipment is called our dock stanchion. It's a tool that we use to help install the dock for a do-it-yourself dock installer. It consists of a base plate on the bottom, a round shaft going up, a collar with a lock bolt on it, and a crank. Basically, the use of this piece of equipment is to help level the dock and hold the dock secure while installing the dock. This triangular piece has a channel built into it to cradle underneath the edge of the dock. That is to hold the dock section. The winch is to help hold the section up at the desired elevation. Using the winch consists of flipping a lever and turning the crank. If the dock is lower than you need it to be level, just turn the crank and raise the dock, or vice versa for too high. As you move into deeper water, you'll have to loosen up the sleeve bolt and raise the sleeve up higher as the water gets deeper. This is the basic function of the dock stanchion.